Jai Gurudev. I, the mother of Mishti. Before joining the Hanuman Yoga, Mishti was like two chulbuli types, and she never sits in one place, never do things with confidence or concentration. But after doing Hanuman Yoga, she achieved too many things, like she enrolled for gymnastics and focusing on gymnastics. She does abacus well. She had confidence level is high, and right now she is doing very well activities by blindfoldly. Thank you all my gurus, all my acharyas, and special thanks to Guruji. Thank you so much.
Before joining this The Power of Third Eye program, my daughter was too much active. She's active, but she doesn't listen to me in proper way. But right now, after joining this program, she is little bit stable. She has more energetic, and she focus on studies as well as other activities also, like sports. She has right now she had participated in gymnastics, so she stood for third rank in gymnastics. Only 1 month of practice. So I believe that due to joining the power of third eye, she focused in every task she is facing in her life. Before joining this, I always used to do yoga and meditation with my daughter only, and after joining this, I had more confident in every field. Also, I had recommended two or three students that they are coming with my recommendation here, and they are also experience the positive response from here. From day one, we are joining that online program. From day one, I am with my daughter in every session. I am with her, and Guruji explains each and everything very positively. Also, he focused on every student.